Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the design DFA for even number of A's and even number of B's. So we are going to construct even number of A's, even number of B's. So for this DFA, first we must write the language. So what is the language here? You can observe here the number of A's are even. Here the number of B's are even. Here, the number of A's are even. 2 A's even, 2 B's even, 4 A's even, 4 B's even, 2 A's, 2 B's. So this is also called as a even number of A's as well as even number of B's. So what we have to do now? We are going to construct even number of A's and even number of B's DFA. So now let us take our diagram consists of Q naught. Then we are going to start from here. Let us take this small a. So I am going to construct a small a now. So how to construct a small a? Yes. So we can say a here. Then let us say here Q1. Now you see when I construct a small a, so after this small a, of course we have BB. But if you see A, so how many number of A's are there? 4 number of A's are there. So over a period of time, we get 6 number of A's are there. So these are called as a even number of A's. So what I am going to do, just I am going to take like this. So this is called as something like a loop. So here, what is going to be happened when we write like this? So when my input is A, even number, A, accepted. So it is a starting state as well as final state. When my input is A, A, 4 number of A's is also accepted. So next, even number 6 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, so this is about the AA. So again we construct for BB also. When my input is BB, what I have to do? So this is about the BB. So let us say it is going to start from this node B. Then we are going to say this is about the B. So when I write like this, what is going to be happen? When my input is BB, yes, it starts from here B, 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 B. So this is about the BB. Now it will accept 2 number of B's, 4 number of B's, as well as 6 number of B's. So this is a way to construct number of A's and number of B's are in the form of even. In the form of even. Now, if my input is A, B, B, yes. If my input is A, B, B, it is also accepted. Now, we can also have something like A, B, then A, B. This is also accepted because the number of A's are even, the number of B's are even in this case. Let us say A here, then what about B? So we write here, we can say this is B. Then, so A is there, A comes here, B is there. Then we can say here, we are going to have, let us say this is Q3. So A here, B here, then I am going to have A. So I can construct A here, A. So here the actual output value is, input value is A, B, A, B. Yes, A, B, A, B. So this is called as what we have, A, B, A, B. So similarly, when my input is like something like, you see, A, B, as well as B, A. So in this case also it must be accepted. Yes. So A is there, B is there, but I can write here B. Then what is going to be happened? In this case, A is there, B is there, B is there, and A is there. It goes to final state. So similarly, if my input is again, let us say something like A, B. So if my input is A, B, then we can say something like A, B, A, B. So A, B, A. So we can write here, let us say small a, small a. So when my input is A, B, A, then what you have to do? It should not go to the final state. You see A, B, yes, A, B, A, A. So it is in the normal state only. It is not a final state. So finally, this is about the construction of even number of A's and even number of B's. So remember, this is about the even number of A's and even number of B's. It consists of four states: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. When my input is small a, it goes to A, reaches the final state. It comes to the BB, starts from B, it one comes to the again final state. A, A, A. This is the final state. B. So B, it goes to the final state. A, B, A, B. So this is about the write the even number of A's and even number of B's. Interestingly, you can see this example A. So they have asked about even number of A's as well as even number of B's. But in this example, we have only odd number of A's as well as odd number of B's are there. Now you see A, B, A, A. So it does not go to the final state. So this is about the even number of A's and even number of B's. So important point in this diagram, initial state and final state is this Q naught only. Initial state and final state is Q naught only. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.